Hello everyone, today topic is a foundation. In this topic we will see the types of foundation and we are going to start on some definition where we will see the definition of deep foundation and the definition of shallow foundation and definition of footing. Let's start on definition of foundation. The foundation is the lowest part of the building that carries, transmit, distribute the upper load from the superstructure. Means the foundation are the parts, those parts of the building which carries, which take all loads like life load and dead loads. Those are loads which are on structure. Those summation of loads are transmit to the foundation. Those parts is called foundation. Continue on type of foundation. There are major two types of foundation. We have shallow foundation, deep foundation. But before going on details of this type of foundation, let's see some definition. On shallow foundation says that if the width of the foundation is greater than or equal to the depth of foundation is called shallow foundation. Here we can say that deep foundation, if the width of the foundation is less than to the depth of the foundation, can be called deep foundation. Let's continue on footing. A footing is a part of the foundation which helps to transmit the load of the structure to the soil with proper distribution of the load, and it's made of concrete and reinforced cement concrete. This foundation depends on two things. Means on foundation you have two parameters which can be depends. Here we have they depends on soil, and its bearing capacity. Means the foundation depends on the soil and its bearing capacity. Let's continue on shallow foundation. Shallow foundation, as a definition, we will see that the width is the depth of this type of footing is less and it's economical. Means this shallow foundation is economical. You see, is usable, is easy to applicate, and it is easy to construct, and it is a cheap. The type of shallow foundation, we have 6 types: isolated footing, combined footing, wall footing, cantilever or strap footing, strip footing, and mat or rafter foundation. Let's see it individually. Isolated footing. On isolated footing we have, it is the most commonly used footing, individually laid down and economical to use. It is used where soil is in good condition. It depends on the factored load on column and self-bearing capacity of the soil. In isolated footing we have 4 types, which include pad footing, strip footing, sloped footing, and isolated beam and slab footing. These are the figure which shows isolated footing, where we have one column. This is plan. We have plan and section as is. Let's continue on combined footing. if two to three columns connected collectively with one single footing is called combined footing. It's provided where distance between two columns is small and the shape of combined footing is in rectangular shape or trapezoidal shape. In combined footing, we have two shapes. We have rectangular shape and trapezoidal shape, and this type of footing, which is called combined footing, is required where the area between two columns are small. Let's see the figure which shows us the combined footing. This wall footing or strip footing can be used as retaining wall, and the edge are not close the proper line. This is the type of math foundation, as we see, is used where we have a very low soil. Means we have a low soil. This is the reason why we need many columns in order to construct strength. Thank you for this listening this presentation. Subscribe in order to get more videos which talked about the education and motivation speeches and many educatable things. Thank you. Subscribe.